entering signed numbers into the FXCG 1020 prism, if you want to do signed numbers, positives and negatives, 3 plus negative 2, for example, you can use the negative key, which is right next to the execute down at the bottom. You can also, something that's pretty unique to the Casio, is to enter a signed number using the minus key. It's not recommended. You do want students to know the difference between the minus key and the negative key. Notice the minus key is a little bit longer than the negative key, but either way, the calculator is very forgiving and will give you the same answer. Other ways to do this include go ahead and using parentheses. So you can enclose the parentheses. I need a 2 in there. So use the parentheses to enclose the negative. And the third way to also do the same thing is to not only use the parentheses, but use the minus key when entering it, and it works the same way. So all those give me the exact same solution. The thing to look out for, and places where students will make errors, is if you start with a negative, you must start with a negative key. You cannot start using the minus key because the calculator sees this as an operation, and of course it will think that you mean the previous answer minus. So that's another reason to avoid using the minus key, although if you use the subtraction key, it is forgiving if you do it in the right place at the right time. But that's a couple of ways to use signed numbers.